In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up quick replies so that you can reply even faster. So you're going to be able to take your templates and plug them into the quick replies so you don't have to copy and paste, which is going to save you a whole lot of time. So let's hop into my phone and I'll show you how all that stuff works. All right, so now that we're in my phone, I'm going to show you how to set up a quick reply. So the first thing you need to do is have your templates where you can copy and paste them. So we're going to go over here and I'm going to open up humanizing the conversation, and I'm just going to use one for an example. So we can just start here at the top, and we'll just copy this question just like so. And then we'll hop over into our business suite and we will open up someone we want to reply to, and then we'll click the plus button and you'll see saved replies. We'll click on saved replies, and if it's the first time you're using it, you'll click add a saved reply. Easy as that. And then you enter your message here, and when it's short like that, I go ahead and call that the title too. So we'll save it, and you can see now I have a quick reply. So I could go into my quick replies. Oops. I can go into my saved replies, and you can see there it is. What type of property are you looking for? So if I want to add more to that, down in the bottom left corner, there are 9 squares in a round circle. If I click on that, that'll enable me to edit and add more responses I can use for follow-up. So I'm going to add one more just to show you how that works, and then I'm going to show you how to delete one. So we'll go here. I'll copy this question. We'll click the pencil at the top right, paste it into the message, also paste it into the title since it's short, and I'll save it. So now you can see I have 2 different options. And if I wanted to delete, I can just slide to the left and hit delete, or I can edit and update it. But I'm just going to hit close. So now I'll go back into like I was replying to someone. I'll just hit the plus, hit saved reply, and then there we go. I can just easily send it. Easy peasy. And that will save you a ton of time and energy. So that is how you set up a quick reply using the Facebook Business Suite app.